We are here at Eastbrook Homes in their home creation studio, and it is all brand new. Here with Ann, who designed this studio. Now, Eastbrook Homes, you guys have been building houses for years and years for everybody in West Michigan. We know the quality, but what some people may not know is that they can come into this creation studio, home creation studio, and feel like they're in a home. Tell us, what is the function of this space?
I want our buyers, or any of our prospective buyers, to walk in and just go, wow, I can truly envision building a home, spending all of our holidays there. I want them to come in here, be excited, and to be able to look at all the products that are here and just be, I want that. I have to have that in my house.
Yeah, I was blown away when I first saw it. It's amazing space, and that's what you really want. You want people walking into your home saying, wow, right? And it starts here. Let's talk about, you designed it. So
I did.
Let's talk about some of the places and the things that you did to make this the best thing for the customer.
Well, first and foremost, it's the natural light. So that was priority number one. So we literally took everything down to just support walls, and then it was maximizing all of the light that we could. Lighter, brighter, open spaces. Every display is strategically placed from the state-of-the-art tools for my design team. They're the ones that need to bring our buyers' dreams to life. So now they have the tools to be able to do that. And we have some wonderful products, new products that we brought on. So if you want to see any of those, you got to come visit us.
Talk to me about not only the beauty of this space, but how functional it is. A lot of these things are working. Like, people can get their hands on it. And tell me what I can do with my hands in this space.
Well, you're going to see, cabinet door samples, carpets, faucets, cabinet door hardware. Our teams put everything together for you so that you get a very realistic representation of what is going to go into your home.
And if you want to experience that yourself, there is a big party coming. There's a grand opening to the Home Creation Studios remodel. When is this happening?
June 10th.
Okay, June 10th. Put it on your calendars. What's happening June 10th?
On June 10th, we're going to be giving private tours from 3:30 to 4:30, so be sure to RSVP for those if you want to join. And then we're going to have an open house from 5 until 7 that we also would like you to RSVP for, so we know how to plan, but we're going to have a professional chef come in, and we're going to have lots of goodies for you.
Okay, I'm assuming the place to do all that is going to be eastbrookhomes.com. That's where we're going to register for this amazing party?
Absolutely.
All right, pretty simple and easy to remember. You need to be here because you're going to come in here, just like Ann said, say wow. And then you're going to get the things that make your neighbors say wow in your home. And it all happens June 10th at the grand opening of the Home Creation Studio at Eastbrook Homes.